What's up? Dylan Abby's Box Breaks with Riley. It's been a while. We haven't done any boxes for a long time.
And the shaved rat.
We've got 2 Star Wars of the Chrome Resistance vs. First Order.
And we have 4 of these.
And 4 more Ant-Man. Last time we got lucky, got 4 boxes. We got 2 sketches and 2 autos, including Evangeline Lilly. So we're not doing this one yet. We're going to do Ant-Man first. But we've been busy with Abby's soccer, so we haven't done anything for a while. She finished her soccer today. They finished second in the tournament overall. First tied in the season. And Abby, I think, led the league in goals. She had like 8 or 9 goals through 6 games. So Riley's going to pick 1 pack out of each one.
And the rat. Hee You didn't introduce the rat.
Which one do you want, Abby? This one or that one?
I'll take this one.
You want that one? Okay. So that one's yours. You didn't take one out of here yet, did you? Take one out of there. Okay. And then I'll start this box. You take 1 pack out of each of those. And then, so we're going to, me and Abby are going to do a box each of Ant-Man. Hopefully we can get lucky. We can get a sketch and an auto, at least out of the group. I forgot these got the mini cards too, so. Sorry. There's the mini cards. I'm sure I'm going to take these out of here so we can put the cards in the boxes. Here, just put the cards in here, Abby.
Okay.
Here, let's put them in here. Yeah, hopefully we'll get lucky and at least get a sketch and an auto out of 2 of them. Oh, I think I got something here. Oh, no, it's an insert. Okay. Make sure you throw all these to the side so they're not in front of the camera.
Yeah, I got
You open your packs.
What's this pack?
That's one of the miniature cards. So you get 1 of these in each pack. So you Riley got a miniature.
I don't think I need these all white.
No, if it's not an auto or a relic. Okay. You can just throw it on the ground.
Much is just like standing there like 5.
Nothing yet.
Here's my tiny card.
Here's your little card. And you can get autographs on those little cards too.
What side are the things on?
What? I have no clue. Just gotta look.
This one has a number 74.
No, that's just a regular number, buddy.
It's black.
We're gonna do 2 boxes in each video, so
Card.
this will be 2 boxes, 2 boxes, and then 2 boxes of Star Wars. Wasp wing, yep, that's it. You get 1 of those per box. Oh, that's the card. Don't feel it. There's the wasp wing.
Is this good?
That's just a regular insert.
Let's go back. Oh, card.
Nope. That's sticks. See there. You can't go anywhere. Lexi looks like she's tortured. I promise she's not. Oh, holy crap. Okay.
Auto or a relic or sketch?
Neither.
It's not an auto, relic, or sketch?
No.
That's like the 3 big cards in there.
Exactly.
So Abby's got something of a mystery that she said holy crap on.
And it's not an auto, relic, or a sketch.
Well then,
Yeah,
that's like the 3 big ones.
Here, let me choose the card down.
That's good, buddy. Just leave them there. Right. And then hold off on those.
No, I'm trying to fix it. There you go. Okay. Oops, sorry. Let's see, Susie.
Sort the blue.
I have. Oh. How many hits are you supposed to get per
You
box?
get 2 per box.
Yeah, okay.
Relics or autos or sketches. Or you got a relic.
Oh, wow.
What? Oh, wasp relic, a piece
Yeah.
of her costume.
That's cool.
There's a wasp wing.
Is it numbered? No.
And
Mine's
then
not numbered, but
Abby's
I got
relic. She got a piece of the
a
wasp
relic of
costume.
wasp. And then, oh, I have 3 more relics. Or things, sorry.
Yeah, Dad, I'm sorting the boys for me.
3 more packs, that's the right word.
I got a sketch in this one. I'm gonna
Ooh.
put that to the side though. So I got a sketch. I'm gonna hold that for a second.
Yeah, but I didn't even get a sketch or a thing.
Well, those aren't guaranteed. It's sketches or relic.
I
It's the only
missed
thing.
this all
Oh,
right.
okay. Yeah, there's a relic too.
Oh, 2 more packs.
Daddy.
Ant-Man.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's one who is
I got an
okay.
Ant-Man relic.
In-house. Cute. I know you're shivering. Last pack.
I need to find the rest of the Ant-Man.
There we go. I'm done, and I have mine.
I got 2 packs left.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, 1 pack left, and then my sketch and whatever Abby pulled. Alright. You want me to do my sketch first, or
Yeah, you
yours?
can do your sketch.
Alright. Oh, that's cool. It's David Newbold is the sketch artist of Wasp. That's cool.
It's one more pack.
Okay, and let's see what Abby got.
Okay. Oh, I got a 1-in-1 printing plate.
Oh, cool.
Eh,
Relax.
of the pen particles.
Sweet.
It says
Sweet.
Richard something family. I can't see.
Richie. Abby got a printing plate.
Nice.
Sweet. So, okay.
This is normal.
Yep, okay. So I only got 1 relic and 1 sketch, and you got 1 relic and 1 printing plate. So, okay. So that's it for the first video. We're going to be back. We're going to do 2 more Ant-Man boxes in another video, and then we will do the 3rd video with the Star Wars Chrome.
Yep.
So, thanks for watching. Quick recap. Ant-Man and Wasp relics. And printing plate and sketch. Awesome. So we will be back shortly. Keep watching. Thanks a lot. See ya.
Bye-bye.